Gather 250 grams of chicken or beef mince as the primary protein source. Prepare 1 chopped onion and 2 chopped cloves of garlic for aromatic flavor. Include 1 chopped tomato to add moisture and acidity to the filling. Season the mixture with salt, black pepper, and paprika or chili powder to taste. Assemble taco shells, lettuce, cheese, and salsa as essential components for serving. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the chopped onion to the heated oil. Next, add the minced or pressed garlic to the pan. Sauté the onion and garlic together until they soften. Continue sautéing until the onion becomes translucent, indicating it's cooked. This process releases the aromatic flavors of the onion and garlic, forming the flavor base for the taco filling. Add minced chicken or beef to the cooking pan. Cook the minced meat until it turns brown. Ensure the meat is thoroughly cooked to eliminate any health risks. Break up the meat while cooking to promote even heat distribution. Prevent clumping by consistently stirring and separating the meat during the cooking process. The process of seasoning is essential for enhancing the flavor of taco filling. Key seasonings include salt, pepper, and paprika. Chopped tomato is added to the meat mixture for flavor and moisture. Incorporate the seasonings into the meat mixture thoroughly. Cook the mixture until it thickens slightly to develop the taco filling's distinctive flavor profile. Taco shells should be lightly warmed before filling. Warming the shells makes them more pliable. This pliability helps prevent the shells from breaking. The shells can be warmed in an oven or microwave using gentle heat. Begin by filling each warm taco shell with the prepared cooked meat mixture. Ensure the meat is evenly distributed within the shell to maintain structural integrity. Add shredded lettuce on top of the meat, providing a fresh, crisp contrast. Sprinkle cheese generously over the lettuce, enhancing the flavor profile. Complete the tacos with a topping of salsa, adding a spicy and tangy element.